Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to split screen using Lightworks. If you find this helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay updated. So here I have two videos added to the project bin in Lightworks. Now what I need to do is just drag and drop these two videos to two separate video tracks. So by default I have one video track and now I need to add another video track here. So I'm just going to right click, navigate and expand tracks, and then click on add video. So here we have two video tracks now. I'm going to drag and drop these two videos to different tracks like this. Just place them one above the other. Okay. And next we have to navigate to VFX, then navigate to transform. And if you scroll down here, you'll see split screen. So now I'm going to double click on this effect. And as you can see, we have successfully split the screen with these two videos. But the issue here is that we have two full screen videos side by side, and so once we export this project, we'll end up with this black space here at the top and the bottom. So the final effect would look something like this. Okay, and if you want to have something more like this, full screen, then in that case we have to change these scale settings on the right picture and left picture settings. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to adjust this right picture setting, so this right video. I'm going to expand the scale section and then just scale this video on X scale to 1 and Y scale to 1 as well. So I'm making it full screen, and now what I'm left with is just I need to reposition this video somewhere around the middle of the screen, which is just on the border of this video. And now I can close this right picture settings, and on the left picture settings I will do very similar thing, is just change the scale to 1 and 1, and it's about it. Now if I play the video, now the only thing that I'm gonna add here is if you want to reposition this video so that the flower sits just around here in the middle of the screen, what you have to do is just change the position X settings. So move the slider like this. And here we have the flower in the middle of this section. And this is it, guys. This is how you split screen using Lightworks. I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.